Hello and welcome to how not to make a Scampi style scallop linguine with fresh herbs and buttery breadcrumbs. So we've got the ingredients here on one side and the directions on the back. I do recommend pausing it at this part just so you can take a closer look, because in about a minute we'll be entirely done plating and you'll be looking at the presentation. So anyway, first thing you're doing is dropping the pasta in the boiling water. Then I go ahead and prepare the lemon and the shallot. This was the first time I cooked with them, and I cut out the part of the video that was me screaming off camera. They were pretty intense, needless to say. So getting right into it, I drained some of the extra pasta water, and then next thing we're doing is garlic, lemon zest, and some other stuff in with the scallops. We're cooking the breadcrumbs, then we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce real quick. I separate them into different pans so I can go ahead and make it a little bit easier to stir. And next thing you know, I'm chopping up the garnish. We're gonna be dropping it into some bowls here shortly, and that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed how not to make a scallop linguine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.